Hi boys and girls, this is a quick video to help you with vowel teams and the endings ing and tion. So, if you remember, when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. So you want to think of your vowel team, this EA right here, they're a team, right? But this first vowel right here is the leader. So he's the one that does the talking. So you're going to hear, when you see EA together, you're just going to hear E. You're not going to hear the A. So let's look at these words. So this first one, here is my vowel team. It's an A and an I. Since the A is the first vowel, he's going to do the talking. So I would go A, train. Okay? Here's another vowel team. You have O and an A. Now, this O is the leader, so she's going to do the talking. So you would have B, O, T, boat. Then we have this one. Oh, look, it's the word team. But this E is the leader, so he's going to do the talking for the team. So it's going to go T, E, M, team. We don't hear the second vowel. You only hear the first vowel. That first vowel is the leader. Now, ing is the inflectional ending for verbs that are happening now. So right now the verb is happening. So we have our friend here. They are drawing. They are drawing. They are drawing right now. So here's my ing. So I had draw. I added ing. Now I have drawing, and that's showing me that it's happening now. Over here, now we have a friend. They had a drink. We add ing, so now they are drinking the water. It's happening now, drinking. So ing, again, my friends, comes at the end of a word, and it shows you that it's happening now. The last one is tion, and that makes the shun sound. So when you see tion at the end of your words, that makes the t, shun sound, okay? So tion makes the shun sound, and it usually comes at the end of the word. So if I look here, here is my shun. Oops. Sorry, boys and girls. Here is my shun. So I would have shun, question, okay? Then I would have, here's my tion, so it's going to make that shun sound. So I'm going to have shun, fraction. And again, on this word, here's my tion. So I would have shun, direction, okay? So here was just a quick review of your tion words, your ing words, and your vowel teams.